welcome to Death. Hi, welcome to Death. Okay. Hi, welcome to Death Cove. Today we'll be showing you how to get in and out of the water. Number 1, safety first. Goggles. The first technique is called Go Getter Boy. Number 2, the cartwheel. Number 3, the I don't know where I'm going. Number 4, the cool guy walk. Number 5, humans roll out. How to get out of the water, number 1. The silent approach. Sayonara. Number 2, how to get out of the water. The scary approach. Number 1, how to swim correctly. Called the dolphin worm. Where am I? Number. This is how you do a cannonball. Handstand. Push up. That's how you learn how to swim and get in the water. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's short. It's shorter because no one watches the whole video anymore. So we're making it shorter videos now. I almost returned to where I came from, the water.
There he goes. There he goes again. I hope you enjoy your popcorn and coffee.
Hi, I hope you're having a good time with this video, and you know, there's nothing like soda in the morning. I don't know if it's morning milk. Nothing going right. But, please like and subscribe to this video. What? Oh, Walker! It's all over me! I already said that. off your popcorn. Thank you.